That time of night when you gotta do a late Walmart run. Hopefully they got what I need. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Skynet Crypto Defense Network. Okay, and what I have for a product review today is I went to Walmart last night, so it was the only place open. So, and what I got last night was this Bauer 2-pack Creator Light Kit. So, I figured why not? Since I'm new, it was cheap for 35 bucks, which didn't seem like a bad price. It goes up to 21 to 46 inches extendable. Got 2 lights, so figured why not do a product review on this, and let's see what's inside the box. So, also on the side it tells you how it's supposed to look and what it does, and even shows the different colors on the back. But you know, me, I am kind of skeptical about it since it is $35, and I did pay that around $35 plus tax, so I think 40 bucks. But let's just go ahead and get on with the video review. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and start unboxing this and see what's inside, shall we? Alright everyone, so I know you guys can't see my face right now, but let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. Now I'm going to just skip to the part of taking everything out of the cardboard, because who wants to watch someone take stuff out of the cardboard box? But anyway, let me get the box opened up. I get it. That's taken care of. Now, let me take everything out and lay it out to see what we got. Because it really don't come with much according to the box. It's supposed to come with just stands and 2 lights. Well, that's pretty much it, everyone, of what they offer. So let's go ahead and see what they look like set up. Alright everyone, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this up really quick, because it's not that hard to set up. So you just take the stand, unscrew it, open it. At least I think you should. Oh, there we go. You gotta push down. Then it should extend. I'm assuming not far, but they do make it look like it does on the picture to get you to buy it, though. But I'm not really worried about height. Pop it on, just screw it back on. Basically, all it is just like a C-clamp type style. But, yeah, I don't know. So far, not too bad. It doesn't go too high, but hey, it's out up to your chest weight, chest height. Same thing with the other one. So you can get a closer view. Just look at it like this. Just kind of loosen it up at the bottom, then go back at the top. And push down, then tighten her in. Oop, forgot to tighten the other one. Alright, well, so far they are set up so far. Now let's see what they can do. Okay, since they're fully set up, let's see if they're even worth it. 3, 2, 1, right side going on now. Okay, that's actually pretty bright. I ain't gonna lie, that made me go blind for a minute. I don't know about you guys. Let's try this one. Oh God. Oh wow. Yeah, it's definitely a lot brighter than what I thought. Let's try the LED lights. Red. Green. Dark green. Wow. Now that effect I do kind of like. So, I'm curious myself. I want to take a look at it from a further distance, as you can see. Okay, so let's take a little bit closer look at them so you guys can see what the controller itself looks like. And don't judge me because I have a Campbell soup collection. And yes, Campbell soup product is worth a lot of money. Okay, so we're back at behind the light, and let's see what we have behind the lights. So over here's the controller for the first one. Sorry, if I can get the camera adjusted right. So yeah, it's not bad, just 5 buttons. But these will make my videos more better. But you know, for being $40, guys. Okay, so let's see, for being $40, it's actually not bad. Well, guys, that pretty much about wraps it up for the review. Hopefully, you guys liked the lights that I got today, but not bad for 40 bucks. But it's good enough for a starter, so I'll be using them a lot more. I'll leave a description about them more, so be sure to leave comments down below. Be sure to rate and subscribe. And have a good one, guys.